Hey guys, I'm trying this chemical, guys, lightning fast stain extractor. Comes with a pump. It's a smaller bottle. So I got these few challenging mats, cleaned up one to show you how it works. Need a wet whack, a drill with a brush, a little bit of water. I got this really wet, cleaned it up really good. These are soaking right now, so all I do is just get it wet and then spray some of the chemical, guys, right at the where the stain you think it is. This thing works wonders actually. You just basically spray a fair amount and then get your drill. There's your drill right here, and take a jab at it. This thing just takes it off just like that. The color gets lighter and lighter as you clean up. Takes everything off of it. You don't have to apply too much muscle or anything. It's just light rub. Actually, I'm using the weight of the drill right now. And these ones already like been soaking. I soaked them and rubbed them a little bit already. Just about to vacuum it. So. And then grab your hose. Yeah, just like that. Get some of the soap out. Alright. And then I'm gonna grab my wet whack. Off just like that. I may need to scrub right here a little more, but the consistent phase of years and years of moving. First time I've tried to do it. The rest of it is really awesome. Yeah. I mean, it's really nice and soft and clean. No more stains. There were so much stains on this thing. Yep. That's that. Let's do a couple more. Alright, getting the soap off. Okay. Grab the vacuum. Came out like new. Very clean. Very happy with the result. Oh yeah. Moving on to the last one. Had some dirt to the left of it, like it was really brown. I see a little light brown now. don't want to rinse it with water like I did the others. You basically get it wet, actually vacuum it first, get a little dent, spray it, and then drill into it. You can't go wrong. You just have to order that little drill brush if you don't have it already. I think they sell it online. I can put a link for it, but this is something I should have done every 3 to 6 months. Then this would never be this bad. See, the left side is so dark, but you should have seen the first. Obviously, I should have done before and after, but it was really in bad shape. I'll take this any day. Right here. Yeah, I'm not using any weight other than the drill weight. You don't put too much muscle in it. You don't need to actually. Crackers are thick and flush. I'm pretty sure I'm getting to a little bit of it. Alright folks, you can see how lighter the color is on these 3. Just very persistent right here. And I'll take that because this was really dirty. Years of accumulation. 2009 Caddy is coming out of a Cadillac. Never brushed it before, so it looks like new. These gonna smell good and new. So if you don't have this bottle yet, give it a shot. It's like 16 ounces. Not that of a big bottle and worth a shot with the price. I highly suggest these guys. Very easy. All you need is a drill, a little bit of water, and a shot whack. Alright, I hope this helps. Ask me any questions you may have.